In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on iPhone 15. So in this video, I will show you total 3 different ways by which you can take a screenshot on your iPhone 15. So let's get started. First, we are going to use the combination of keys, that is power button and volume up button. So you need to press power button and volume up button simultaneously so that it will capture a screenshot. So let's press power button and volume up button simultaneously. And as you can see, it has captured the screenshot. Just tap on the screenshot to open. Now you can drag the image. Now you can drag the corners to crop the image. At the bottom, you will find different editing options by which you can edit the taken screenshot. At the top, you have share option, using which you can share the screenshot on Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other social media platforms. Also, when you tap on done button, you can save to the photos or you can save to the files. So that is the first method. Next, we are going to use Siri to take a screenshot. Simply say, "Hey Siri, take the screenshot." "Hey Siri, take the screenshot." And this will capture a screenshot. Just tap on the screenshot to open. And here as well, you can just crop the image. You can edit with the controls provided. You can share, as well as you can save the screenshot to the photos or you can save to the files. And the last option is double tap. So to enable double tap to take a screenshot, just tap on settings. Now scroll down, tap accessibility. Now scroll down again. Under physical and motor, tap on touch. Scroll all the way down. Tap back tap. From the options, tap double tap. And now from the system, just select the option as screenshot. Tap on screenshot. And now when you double tap on the backside of your iPhone, this will capture a screenshot. So let's double tap on the backside. And as you can see, it has captured the screenshot. So that is how you can take a screenshot on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.